Hey guys, wanna know how to change your face of your video or your image in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply import any image or clip that contains a face. For me, it's right here. It's the Kevin Hart's face. Now simply hit towards effect right here. Once you're there, go to body effects and under popular, you can see beautify. Simply drag and drop it to the timeline. And once you've done that, here on the right side you can see its settings. Now you can just edit it as you want. Slide the slider to the left for more. Now hit towards face and you can shrink its face, shrink its jaw, mouth type and so much more. You can also go to the eyes, enlarge his eyes, make it rounder, make better eye angle and so much more. Also with nose, you can also make some narrow nose length. And there you have it. Now Kevin Hart has become an absolute Chad. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.